10 reasons why Quaker Parrot make the perfect pet. Number 1. They're easy to train. Number 2. They're great for apartment living. Number 3. They're super intelligent. Number 4. They're great family pets. Number 5. They're incredibly sociable. Number 6. They can even reduce stress. Number 7. They tend to live a long time. Number 8. They are inexpensive to care for. Number 9. They are an excellent talkers and are known for their exceptional ability to mimic human speech. Number 10. Quaker parrots are popular around the world as pets. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.